Hey, hey, everybody. Happy Friday. Can you believe it? It's already Friday at 5:30. Happy weekend. Very excited. Thank you for such an incredible last, 24 hours all day on Wednesday. Absolutely incredible. We're going to see how this goes because I have all the dogs kind of roaming around. I'm in my home office. Hey, Wendy. And just feeling so incredibly humbled and grateful, overwhelmed by the response on Wednesday as we concluded our 31 days of Temp-tations days. Hey, Lori. It was so magical and so amazing. And I just, you never know, 115. Hey, Dolores. Hey, Dana. You never know, 115 brand new items that you're going to be sharing throughout the month and how they're going to be received. And you guys just absolutely loved it. Hi, Pam. Hi, Margaret. Hi, Lynn. Hey, Shane. How you doing? Hi, Diane. Yeah, it was just such a labor of love. Courtney's here. My Ching is here. It was just, I better put it on Do Not Disturb. I'm already getting pop-ups. Hold, please. Yeah, it was just one of those, days of just intense gratitude and happiness and exhaustion. I literally slept till 9:15 the next morning, which if you know me, I don't. Hey, Cindy. I bought a ton of your gorgeous items. Love that. Got some really cute items. Yeah, I think that the name of the show was definitely cute, practical, seasonal, collectible, like all of these great things that, we look so forward to when it comes to Temp-tations days. New launches, new materials, exciting additions. Did you sleep enough afterwards? I was just saying, Bobby, I literally slept till 9:15 the next day. I stayed at Lisa's. We got home. It was probably about 12:30. We had our Fritos. We did our onion dip. We had some red wine. And so by the time we got ready to go to bed, it was a little before 2. And we both slept in till probably about, from Rhode Island, love it, till probably about 9:15. I think I probably actually woke her up. Love the earrings. Oh my gosh, Grace, isn't that funny? These are like earrings that I had buried in my jewelry box. Excuse me. And I just kind of took them out today and I was like, I'm going to wear these. Hubs and I are going to go out for dinner, which I'm very excited about, and do our own little celebration. My mom's coming for dinner on Sunday evening. I will actually be on at 8 a.m., not in the kitchen with David. It's a whole food show. So I'm on from 8 to 10. I think I'm on at 8 a.m., like first up. So I'll keep you posted about all of that as we get a little closer. I started my collection of Black Doodle and White Woodland. I love that. Sarah's checking in. Happy Friday, right? Happy Friday. So many cute new items. I don't know how you do it. Well, Dana, I have a wonderful team. I am truly blessed, and we all come to it. I purchased 5 of the TSVs and so much more. Sarah, smart girl. There's just so many parts of our great team. We all come together with inspiration and things that we like or things from our past or history that we kind of used or grew up using. And it's just one of those really fun like brainstorms that take forever, but they're really well worth it. So when QVC threw down the challenge of Temp-tations days and could we come up with the most new we've ever offered, and could we come up with all new shows, and could we do Temp-tations Tuesday, and could we bring back new for online only? And so we took that challenge. Loving Peppermint Holly, Holly Peppermint. We call it like 500 names. It's like mixed harvest, classic harvest, whatever harvest it might be. Yeah, that's what we call it. So yes, we definitely will continue on with the Holly Peppermint. So stay tuned for that. I love everyone saying hi. Hi, Dia's here. Steven's here. Laura's here from Mount Laurel. I love saying tropical storm coming. Okay, let me just tell you, Bobby, it is so windy here that Ed and I were actually we kind of went outside and we're like, should we take our umbrellas down? Like, they're in a 60-pound base, but I mean, I picked all the tomatoes I could. I'm making a huge batch of tomato sauce. I think it's about my 4th or 5th batch. Got my holly peppermint in the mail today. I love it. Yay. Nancy's checking in. I think it's about my 4th or 5th batch that I've made. And yeah, I love to make it. It's great. And I love like freezing it and then having it in the wintertime when, you know, you can't have fresh sauce. So it's cute because my mom's not really a big red sauce person. So I said to her today, we were chatting about Sunday's plans. And I said, would you want some red sauce? And she said, if you made it, I'm taking it. Need a new bundt pan with handles. Good. Love that. Love that thought. I'm going to actually write that down. I don't think we've done a bundt pan in a little while, so that's a great idea. I love everybody. I need some holly peppermint, anything. Working on it. I promise. There'll be a little bit. Hey, Mandy, I'm hanging in there. Thank you. This is my gratitude post. This is my saying thank you for an incredible 24 hours. Honestly, for us, it was 36 to 38 hours leading up to it, but a full 24 hours wrapping it all up with Jane Tracy. She is incredible. I was so tired by the time I got to that 10 p.m. show. I said to Lisa, I'm not sure how I'm going to do this. And then you just stand next to Jane and her energy is so infectious. She's just wonderful, 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 wonderful. So yeah, it was just an incredible day, completely humbled. I can't wait to hear everything you guys got. I can't wait to see all your photos and all the things that you're going to be sharing as it starts to ship out to you, and you probably get it over the next, I don't know, what, 2 weeks, 3 weeks. Arlene's checking in and saying hi. Gail's here. Love, love, love. So my Ching saying she loves my bless. J. Crew Outlet. And I'm fairly confident I got it for like $19. Love. This girl loves a sale. Let me tell you what. Amy, Susie, Whirl's on the board. My bestie just jumped on. Hey, Aim. Just checking in, telling everybody thank you for an amazing 24-hour event and how excited it has been. And I'm finally coming up for air. I think Amy and I even haven't had a chance to connect, and that's rare for us. But she's actually filling in as a 4th grade teacher today. So high fives, hearts. I need a ton of hearts for Amy and for all of our teachers out there who educate our children and care for our children. They are the unsung true heroes. So, and by the way, she looked fabulous and she had cute earrings on. So, you know, those 4th graders probably loved it. I missed the round baker with lids, sold out. Is it going to be available? So none of the items that were in the show will be back this year. But I'm sure they will be back sometime in the beginning, like January, February, March, something like that. The shows were awesome. Amy said it was the best day. She's my bestie. Jean's checking in. Wednesday was so great. I would love for you to make ice cream. By the way, Amy, did you see all those hearts? Those were for you, my friend, as your substitute teaching. So as I was saying, Ed and I are getting ready to go out for dinner. We're doing a little date night, which I'm very excited about. And then I will be back at QVC this Sunday, super duper early. Like I'm first up at 8 o'clock, which means I have to be there by 7. It's a 2-hour drive, which means I need to leave by 5. So I'm thinking hold on. Ed just had the nerve to open the garage door. I mean, can you imagine? It's actually kind of fairly calm right now. I wasn't sure how this was going to go. I'm glad because I know he wanted to pop in and say hey. So I will most likely be getting up around 3:30 on Sunday. So, I mean, maybe I'll jump on and do a live. Who wants to join me? Ooh, Buffetti egg tray. What a cute idea. Honey, get in here and say hi. Oh, that's such a cute idea. I love it. Bundt pan, egg tray, Buffetti. Yes. Yes, we definitely need more and more Buffetti for sure. Love Temp-tations Day. Great job. Yes, the whole team was unbelievable. Oh my gosh, they're being delivered today, Donna? That was quick. Floral lace, cranberry, and oh, you got the harvest mix. You're one of the lucky ones. Doodle do is the bomb. Totally agree. By the way, my mom called me and she's like, I'm switching patterns. I'm so in love. I'm doing the red doodle do. So now she's all team doodle do. So she'll be getting a lot of those pieces. And Amy, my bestie, she got the slate blue woodland. Honey, got to come in and say hi.
Hi, everybody.
Everybody's checking in. They loved today's special value day. Aww. They loved all the shows.
So awesome.
They're already starting to get some of their product. I was telling them we're going out on a date night.
Yes.
Me, I'll be awake. Great. I'll call you, Cheryl. Cheryl, I'll call you. I was saying that this Sunday I'm probably going to have to get up at like 3:30 because I have to be up at the Cube by 7. So
Yeah, if we all don't blow away before then.
I know, everyone's got to stay absolutely safe as we get this nor'easter this weekend. Like, it does not sound like it's any kind of joke. They're expecting extreme flooding around here.
Note to self, not easy to walk an 8-pound dog in this wind.
Did you take Tux out there?
No. Fozzie's not easy.
Fozzie?
Yeah. Maybe times 2.
Okay, Fozzie is supposed to be 15 pounds.
Boy,
Here we go. You just opened a can of worms because the vet and I have a very strong...
Team Ed here.
Everybody's Team Ed. But Fozzie is a little chubby. And the vet would like him to lose a little weight because it's too much on his little heart and it's too much on his little body. And so he's supposed to be 15 pounds. And he's 21.
Fozzie likes a good meal. Don't we all like a good meal?
Yes, absolutely. Absolutely. And I can't even get mad. Yeah. But, yeah. So, no, he's not 8 pounds.
Well,
it's all good.
Yeah.
Can I come to dinner too? Absolutely, Donna.
Sure.
Come on over.
Come on.
I'm thinking I'm going to have a martini.
Ooh.
Yep. With blue cheese olives is going to be my treat for a beverage tonight.
You haven't been thinking about this,
Nope. No, it just popped into my head.
Yeah, I can see that.
Where we're going, Fozzie is fine. See? Sarah. Fozzie is fine.
Thank you. Thank you, Sarah. Hello?
Sarah, I just want Fozzie to be in our life forever. Yeah. You know, my dog weighs 4.5 pounds. Cupcake. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Yeah. How tiny, because Tux, our little poodle, is 8 pounds, and he's so tiny. Debbie's saying hi. Diane's here. Man, I wish I was only 6 pounds overweight. Dana, it's all good. Hey, you know what? As long as you're enjoying life. Oh, I almost just knocked the whole. I just moved the whole thing here. As long as you're enjoying life, it's only a number. I love a good meal. Me too. By the way, Ed orders appetizers. Jackson, shh. Ed orders appetizers at breakfast. I'm not kidding. If you say, I think I want to try the pancakes, but I think I'm going to get the eggs, he will order the pancakes as an appetizer.
Who's with me on this?
At breakfast.
They're not going to be with you.
No. I'm actually starting to embrace this whole, appetizers for breakfast, appetizers for lunch.
Why deny yourself?
Appetizers for dinner. Right. Mm-hmm. Yep. My son does that. See?
Get a bigger table. That's my motto.
Absolutely. Hey, you know what? Totally agree. Look, Pam's giving you 2 thumbs up. Brenda's jumping on. All right. Well, on that note, Amy said true story. See, Amy has been with us many a time when Ed orders the entire left side of the menu. Our cat's 20 pounds. He wants his treats every day. He's 14. See, Jen? You're right. Jen Bots knows it. Love it, Ed. Great idea. Yes, pancakes and eggs.
Hello?
Right.
Hello? Anybody home? McFly?
Okay. Well, you want to wrap it up and say
thank you?
Well,
once again, we thank all of you for an amazing month and being a part of our family. And this is as much fun as anything else that we do. So thanks for popping on and sharing all your thoughts and hopes and really more than anything, showing us how we all feel that we've made gathering around the table a little more fun. Because that's really what we want to be. We all just want to be happy.
That's right. And kind. And kind to one another. And more kindness. And Dia just said she's team eat what you want.
That girl.
Eat what you want.
You see, these are my people,
They are your people. They are your people. We love you guys. We love you guys. So here's the deal. In honor of all of this, order the appetizers tonight. Right. Take the trip. Buy the shirt, whatever.
Buy bigger pants. That's my motto.
Whatever the expressions are, that is such a great movie from Eat, Pray, Love. Did you guys ever see that with Julia Roberts? Amy and I, my bestie, we quote it all the time. She's like, I'm going to eat the pizza and I'm just going to go buy bigger pants. So, everybody loves us, honey. You guys are the best.
Thank you.
I might be losing my voice. What a Temp-tations day you had. Thank you. And that's why we jumped on. Truly, from our family to yours, we wanted to thank you for such a fun, energetic, buzzing day like everybody.
Wait, did you say buzz?
Don't break those. Your head's a little wider than mine. You look so cute. By the way, this is my work desk, so the fact that I have those there and I do tease the team. Look at this. I have all sorts of random things on my desk.
We're very normal, by the way.
What? What do you mean?
What?
Dee.
Well, we're going to buzz on out
Yeah,
of here.
somebody get the hook. All right, well, all kidding
da.
aside, you guys, we love you. Thank you for a wonderful day. And we're just going to keep the Temptations days going. Don't tell anybody at QVC, but it's Temptations Day every day, okay? Jackson, my goodness. He's hungry. We should feed them before we have to go. Okay, on that note, everybody but Fozzie.
We end with Tara saying,
we have to go feed the dogs.
Feed the dogs. Now, I'm the person that I should Come on, I overfeed? Watch what these dogs are about to eat.
Yeah, it's fair. They probably eat better than us. All right, you guys.
Thanks, everybody.
We love you, and we'll see you soon. Bye.
See ya.